how to add Google Forms link to Facebook page. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Google Forms and then on the top right, you'll see a link option. Tap on it and then tap on shorten URL and hit copy. Now your Google Forms link has been copied. Now go to your Facebook page and then go to your profile. Scroll down and you'll find three dots. Go ahead and tap on it, and there you'll find edit action button. Tap on it and then tap on change button. There you'll find sign up. Tap on it and then hit next. Now here put the website link. Here you can put in your Google Forms link. Just right click and then paste and then hit save. And it's as simple as that. Now your Google Forms link has been added to your Facebook page. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.